Hey guys, Terry here with the Forest Farm Project. We've got some footings dug. Woo!
All right guys, as you heard Terry just say, we've got footings dug. Both houses are dug out and we are ready to move forward.
Very excited. It's about time.
Yeah, it's only been 4 years.
Yeah. This winter had so much rain, and then we've just had a lot of setbacks, and then this coronavirus thing. We were kind of afraid to get started because who knows if they're going to shut everything down, but it looks like things might pick back up.
Things are opening back up, so
Yeah,
we're feeling like we can move forward now. We got both footings dug, and we're going to get we got to get all this dirt cleaned up and then get set up and get some concrete poured.
Yeah, get some concrete poured for the footers. We were going to either brick it ourselves or possibly do some of them ICF blocks, possibly form it ourselves for poured concrete. But honestly, concrete work is, it's a lot of work, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can mess up real quick.
And that's a costly mistake.
Yeah, your house is sitting on that foundation. And we know a guy who does a phenomenal job. He's got a bunch of guys. He'll get both of these done in like 2 days, maybe 3 at the max.
Yeah.
And everything's straight as an arrow, level. It's phenomenal work.
Yeah. So all we've got to do is get the concrete poured for the footings, and then he's going to come in here with his 15 guys and knock these things out.
Knock it out.
We've got a week and a half to get prepped for him because he's got things going on. So in between now and then, we got a lot of work going on, plus taking care of my son during the day. So
yeah, and we're Mr. Moms right now.
Yeah. So definitely a lot going on. But we did time lapse of all this happening. It was raining off and on, so there really wasn't that much to film. It was just a matter of getting the work done. So we set up a couple of time-lapse cameras and let them rock and roll.
Yeah, we'll come back in here and film some more of the process as we pour this and whatnot.
Yeah, we'll get a lot more detailed once we get rolling. Yeah.
So, and we didn't get close on this digging out because they didn't really want to be on camera. They didn't mind from a distance, but and most people don't.
Yeah.
Construction guys aren't really like hip on being on camera.
Yeah, they're not as pretty as we are.
No, not near as pretty.
All right, that's about it, guys. We're going to roll in some time-lapse. We'll catch you in a few minutes.
Well, guys, it's great to be back. We're fixing to really rock and roll. Once we get building these houses, it's going to be busy, busy, busy.
We're going to be on like Donkey Kong.
Oh yeah, there'll be a lot of videos coming. There's going to be times when we just don't post because we've got things like if we got to get the house in the dry because the rain's coming, we're not going to be filming probably and editing. We'll just film what we can.
We'll film a bunch and then edit, and you might get a video a day for 2 weeks, and then you might go a week without any videos.
Or 2.
Yeah, just depends on how our workflow goes and the weather, because we've got to keep up with that. We want to get these in the dry before it starts raining.
Yeah, there's only so much we can show. Once we get the houses in the dry, then we can spend some time showing what's going on.
Then we'll get into real detail of how you wire, how you plumb, every aspect of it.
We're ready to get these houses done, get moved in here, and get started on the farm. That's what's going to be fun.
Yeah, we've got so much planned for you guys. I think you're really going to enjoy it.
Oh yeah. This is going to be an ongoing project for years to come.
Yep.
Yep.
Thanks for checking in, guys, and we will see you soon.
See you next time.